Imagine a world where Apple, the tech giant known for its sleek devices, has stealthily become a service business. Yes, you heard it right. The company, synonymous with innovation and cutting-edge technology, has been silently transforming its core operations. Recently, Apple reported a record-high service revenue of $21.2 billion in the third quarter of the fiscal year 2023. It's a staggering figure, isn't it? The company's service business has been thriving, accounting for approximately 26% of the total revenue. But what's driving this shift? Well, a big part of it is Apple's massive installed base of over 2 billion devices globally. That's right, 2 billion devices. This colossal number provides the company with a vast, ready-made market for its services. And the best part? Apple's management expects this number to continue growing, but that's not all. The decline in revenue from its traditional hardware business is another reason behind this strategic shift. Despite the decrease, Apple has managed to maintain its growth trajectory thanks to its flourishing service business. Now, let's look at the bigger picture. The global tech landscape is rapidly changing, and Apple's long-term success depends on maintaining a competitive edge in the post-smartphone era. The company is not just resting on its laurels, it's actively exploring new frontiers, with mixed reality being a potential contender. With a sturdy balance sheet, boasting over $166 billion in cash, Apple is well-positioned to navigate this transformation. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Political risks and limitations in iPhone innovation pose potential challenges for the company. Just when you thought you knew Apple, it seems the tech giant has been playing a different game all along. Now that we've uncovered Apple's secret, it's time to delve deeper into what this service business actually entails. When we say service business, we are referring to a diverse range of offerings that Apple has been steadily building over the years. This includes popular services like Apple Music, iCloud, Apple Pay, and of course, the App Store, among others. Now you might be wondering, how much do these services actually contribute to Apple's bottom line? Well, let's dive into the numbers. In the third quarter of fiscal year 2023, Apple reported a record-high service revenue of $21.2 billion. Yes, you heard that right, over $20 billion in a single quarter. What's more impressive is that this figure accounts for approximately 26% of Apple's total revenue, but that's not all. You see, Apple's service business owes its success to a massive installed base of over 2 billion devices globally. That's 2 billion devices that are potential customers for Apple's wide array of services. And Apple's management expects this number to continue growing. Now let's shift our focus to a region that is of particular importance to Apple: Greater China. This region, which includes mainland China, Hong Kong, and Taiwan, accounts for a significant 19% of Apple's total revenue. Despite stiff competition from local players like Huawei, Apple has managed to carve out a solid 16% market share in this region in the second quarter of 2023. So it's clear, Apple's service business isn't just a side hustle, it's a key player in Apple's overall revenue. With the revelation of Apple's transformation, one can't help but wonder, what does this mean for the future of Apple? The implications of Apple's shift towards a services business are both vast and complex. On one hand, this transition presents a wealth of opportunities. Apple's strong balance sheet, boasting over $166 billion in cash, provides the company with a significant war chest to invest in new initiatives and technologies that can bolster its services segment even further. One such avenue is the realm of mixed reality. This emerging technology, which blends real and virtual worlds, presents a promising frontier for Apple. As the post-smartphone era looms, maintaining a competitive edge will depend on Apple's ability to innovate and adapt. With its financial might and reputation for creating highly user-friendly products, Apple is well positioned to be a major player in the mixed reality market. However, this shift is not without its challenges. Potential political risks, such as international trade disputes and regulatory scrutiny, could pose hurdles for the company. Moreover, there are limitations in iPhone innovation. As smartphones become increasingly commoditized, finding new ways to differentiate the iPhone from competitors' products could prove more challenging. Yet, despite these potential obstacles, it's clear that Apple is not standing still. The company's transformation from a tech giant to a services powerhouse is a testament to its ability to adapt and evolve. This shift is not just about diversifying revenue streams, but also about staying relevant in a fast-changing digital landscape. As we look towards the future, it's clear that Apple's transformation is far from over. But one thing is certain, Apple is not just a tech company anymore, it's a service business.